Welcome to Stella's Tactical Corner.
Pew! 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 Pew!
Hello, today I have a Remington 597. It is chambered in a 22 LR, and we have safety checked this gun before we started the video. Just so you know. It is a Dutch Unlimited edition. It's got the little tag over here. It's got a built-in rail on the action up here, and it came with this 39 by 32 scope. It's got a floating barrel, and the way you can test that is by getting a piece of paper, flipping it around the edge, and sliding all the way across. That scope's in the way. And it should go all the way if it is a floating barrel. It's got a safety down here on the trigger guard. They just switch. It will be just plain black if it is on safety. It will be red if it's not on safety. This magazine in here is a 10-round magazine, and you release it by switching this magazine release over, and it falls out. The way you load around into the chamber and all that is you load this up, slide this into here until it clicks. There you go. And then up here, you will slide it back all the way, but I'm not doing that for safety. And then it's ready to shoot. The stock is, this one is a gray synthetic stock. And altogether, this gun weighs about 5 pounds, including the scope. And the round is inexpensive, and it's pretty accurate. It's good for shooting targets at the range or small varmint animals like squirrels or rabbits. So yes, this is my review over the Remington 597 22 LR rifle. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like us on Facebook.